Alright, so my exams got over and there is only one logical thing left to do. Well, of course, that is one way to spend your day. But something else recently popped into my mind. And hear me out. What is your favorite source of entertainment? Some YouTube channel or a web series might come to your mind. Well, that is alright. If you are one of the billion plus users who have already downloaded Instagram, then you probably use your phone for more than 2 hours each day. And if that doesn't ring a bell, just recall your morning routine. You probably drink a cup of coffee with the newspaper and it is not much of a big fuss for you. So my point is that your life revolves around content. There is content on Instagram, YouTube, newspapers, books and magazines, you name it, there is content. And these massive tech companies want you to consume their content to the point that you cannot even think of anything else except that one guy or girl who has the perfectly chiseled body and pretends that their life is better than yours. They provide you with the high-tech gadgets with more RAM and smoother frame rates so that you can consume more content. And there are some services like YouTube in the G Suite, you might probably know about this, that you cannot even delete YouTube. And as a result, you get so accustomed to consuming content that you start wearing such gadgets right on your wrist. So today I am gonna change that. How stupid is it? I'm gonna live one day without consuming any content at all. And let me tell you what is content. Everything on YouTube is content, everything on Netflix and Amazon Prime Video or any OTT service like that is content. Reading the newspaper is again content, and for your information, reading books is also content. We have been doing this for years now and we don't even consider it as content, but it surely is. And this is how many books are just lying in the shelves. In addition to that, this almirah has a lot of books. So the challenge starts now. The time is almost 9:30 AM in the morning, and the first thing I want to do is edit this video that you are watching right now. I hope you can understand that video editing is more like producing content and not consuming any, and I think I will stick to those tasks which relate to producing content. By the way, it's almost 12 o'clock now and I'm gonna make something to eat. Okay, no fire cooking. It was already no fire, but exceptionally no fire cooking. Just cornflakes. Alright, so I wanna read this book so bad. It is almost 4 o'clock right now, and I started reading this book at the beginning of 2020 and I haven't finished it yet. But I don't think today is the day. But why am I talking about this book? That's because today's video is sponsored by Apple. This. You think someone's gonna sponsor me? Not in this life.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
So it's 5:45 and I just suffered from a panic attack, of course, because I did not watch a bit of YouTube today. And I think now I'm gonna just answer some questions on Quora because I love spending time there. As you could guess, there was no cheating in that and I consumed no content. So my theory for content consumption is that people can be divided into two categories. For the first category of people, the craving increases with age. It reaches a maximum mainly during their teenage, and then it decreases with their age. Just like the Maxwell Boltzmann relationship, if you know about it. And for the other kind of people, the craving just increases sharply during their teenage and it reaches a plateau, just like the graph of logarithms. As a conclusion to this video, you need to limit and decide what content you would be consuming. There is some content that is good, but other type of content is straight up bad, which leaves you craving for more. Spending one day without any content just left me bored, and I think it has some upsides too, because I was able to create this video that you are watching right now, which I would not have created had I just watched videos all day long. So I think I'm pretty content, if you know what I mean. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. And can you survive this challenge for one day? Let me know in the comments down below. And please subscribe for more videos like this. I am Sankalp Parekh and I will catch you in the next one.